guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are good. I'm good, I'm fine. So for this video, I'm gonna be reviewing my makeup palette. So this is my makeup palette. I have my own makeup brand, Reya Artistry on Instagram. That is my hairstyling page. Reya Artistry Cosmetics on Instagram. That is my cosmetic page. So you all should go follow, show some love. So this is how the palette comes. It comes like this, and this is how it comes. This is how it's packaged. You see, and you open it. That's it. I'm gonna take off this lid. You see, it's very, very colorful. It gives you like the carnival kind of vibe. So guys, I'm gonna put a video of when I tested this palette in the dark, of it glowing. I'm gonna include it in this video for you guys to see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start with my look. I'm gonna be using my Kat Von D setting powder today here, and the shade, I don't know, it just says translucent setting powder. Take my brush. I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes. Then I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush, my setting spray. I'm going to dip into the pink color from the palette. Can you guys see? Just my first swatch. You need to blend, guys. Very necessary. See? I'm gonna do this for the other side of my eyes. Okay guys, now I've finished applying the pink matte eyeshadow on my eyelids. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the pressed glitter pink eyeshadow. I'm going to do that using my flat brush. Just use my setting spray and I dip it into the palette. Don't want to overdo it. And I go to my eyelid. So I did this, and I'm gonna do this for this eye. You guys, this palette is so lovely. I feel like it's for people who really are creative, or people who are trying to be creative. Like if you need a palette for like colors and like pigmented colors, yeah, this is the one for you. You guys can let me know whatever you guys want to see on my website or on my pages for me to sell, and I can provide it for you. So now I've done my eyeshadow. I'm gonna begin with the get to know me tags from Instagram. I posted a tag and I asked you guys to like ask me questions about what you want to know about me. I was going to talk about them and answer your questions. So here we go. Okay, first of all guys, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Reya Iyede. My last name is Iyede. My name is Reya. I'm 20 years old, 12th of May 1999, and I'm a Taurus. I'm from Nigeria, Delta State to be precise. I'm a student as of now. I'm a student right now. I'm taking occupational health and safety at Ryerson University, and I'm in my 3rd year right now. And I can't wait to round up, honestly, guys. Because like, people understand. I can't even talk about it. Like,
why am I writing all these essays and why am I reading all these books? Like, who am I doing this for?
I just deal with that on my own. Those are the basic details about me, and I'm gonna answer the questions now. The first person said she's proud of me. That's Harriet. Thank you, baby. I'm happy. I'm doing my best. Some question is, what motivates you to keep going? From Bolanle. What keeps me going is like every time I just try to be positive every time, like even though I'm like down or sad, because like if you don't do that, sorry guys, I just need to focus for this. So like I was saying, if you don't keep positive, if you don't stay positive, like you not just you being positive, like you need positive energies around you. Like if you have like a lot of negative energies around you, like the truth is that things are gonna be happening that you'll be wondering like, why is this happening, but like you wouldn't even know that like the energies around you are attracting this to you, like they're attracting this to you. So you need to be cautious, you need to like understand yourself as a person first of all. You need to know how to like your boundaries, like you just need to like be positive first of all, like because you don't want to be depressed, you don't want to be overthinking, you don't want to be stressing. And like to me, like these things are just little issues, like whatever you're going through are just little issues, like just a phase of life you're going through, like you're going to like overcome it, like definitely, like you're going to definitely overcome this phase, like whatever phase you are in that you think, oh, you're going to die, my dear, you are going to overcome it. Okay, you all know how like my wing liner make it work. So guys, you just have to stay positive. For that first person, you just have to stay positive, pray to God, keep God like your number one, like be close to him, pray to him, tell him what you want, like whatever you want to commit it into God's hands first. Like that is one thing you need to do first. Like you need to give him like commit it to his hands so that he could intercede for you in like whatever case, like where you can't even like when you don't even know something's about to happen to you, like so he can always intercede for you, he can always have your back because he is our father. For the third question, my aspirations in life, that's baby, I really want to be a medical doctor. Like I'm just trying to see how I go about it. For now though, I'm in school, like I mentioned earlier in the video, in the field of occupational health and safety, and I want to be very successful in whatever field I'm in. I want to keep pushing through, like I want to be proud of myself, pat my shoulders and say, oh yeah, you've done something good. I really want my peace of mind in life. I know how to get my peace of mind, and that's what I'm working towards. Do you understand? There's nothing as good as your peace of mind. I also want to be the best, rather I am the best hairstylist and makeup artist, and yeah, I want to be that. I want to establish myself, be successful, good family, be cool, live life, enjoy. You just need to set your goals and achieve them. Even though you procrastinate, I procrastinate sometimes, but like I try to rebuke it, just try. What's the question is tips for someone who wants to start their makeup line. Be unique. Don't do what every other person is doing. Think of something, come up with something, try to stand out for you to gain attraction and to keep your page busy. Always post. I always try to keep up with posting. Like it's so difficult because I try to combine school, work, like try to post, like keep up with your customers, like reach out, like make sure like you're being seen, like also promote your post, like whatever you're posting on your social media. Instagram won't promote you if you don't promote yourself, to pay for promotions and ads, like like so when you do all that, like you reach people. I have videos where I promote and sometimes I get like a video that if I had not promoted it I would have gotten like 80 views, 100 views. I would get like 2,000 and 3,000 views. Make sure you have good content. Always try to be creative and come up with other ideas if you're lost on like how to post your products online. It's really simple if you put your time. Guys, I'm going to move on to the next question. Someone said discovered me through explore page and they love it. Thank you, Sasha. Thank you. Number 6 is someone said hi, Miss Coco Brown. Hello, love. Number 7, hey boo, how is your day? Hope all is well. Hey baby, I'm good, and I'm blessed. People want to stress. By the time I stress, it's just life. So whatever situation you're in, you're gonna come out of it. And don't forget, guys, always pray. Another thing too that I learned this year is having a journal, and you use it to keep up your life, so that when you go back in time, you can always see what you've been able to achieve. You can see what you in a couple of years. Get to know me tag. That's all for the get to know me. I've answered all the questions. Now I just want to put on my lashes and I'm just applying my glue. Guys, always stay positive. Don't make anyone ruin your day. It's really not worth at the end of the day for you to get started on everything. I'm trying to be interactive. Even in this coronavirus situation, try to make the best out of it. It's just a mascara I'm using, guys. Nubian Hair Goddess is coming to install hair for me. She's doing a frontal. That's why I'm doing my makeup now. Foundation, Kat Von D. I'm gonna film the hair install. I'm gonna post a video for you guys to watch how I'm gonna get my hair done. Make the makeup feel like your skin. Go out with foundation on just your faces. It doesn't look good. You guys know I have a dimple, right? But it's one-sided. Contour brush. God, come teach me. I'm honestly happy that I'm doing YouTube now. I'm actually happy. Use my MAC powder, take my powder brush, and dust this off. Blend the white powder out. You guys see? Just take a look. Don't be scared to blend. For the person that asked about my aspirations, right now, one of my new aspirations is to be one of the or the best YouTuber. I'm trying to achieve that this year. That's the goal. I'm not gonna do it alone. You all know what to do. Show some love, share, comment, subscribe, like. Whenever I do my blush, I smile. I have very chubby cheeks. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. Together we can win. Now I'm gonna do my highlights. My nose is so small, yo. I need to finish this video ASAP. My camera is really pissing me off right now. To do my lips. If you all wanna shop, hit me up. Hey guys, so this is the final look of the makeup. Like, this is everything put together. So yeah, this is a whole look. This is from my eyeshadow palette. I really love it and appreciate it. If you all buy the palette, it's really good and pigmented. I really love it. It's my first palette. If you all just show me support, and that's what it is. See the makeup, how the makeup looks. So here. Nubian hair goddess, on our way now to come do my hair. We're gonna make a video. I'm gonna post that video for you guys to see. I'm gonna include in this video the look with the hair when I dress up. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and may God bless you. Bye and see you next time. Need to know for me, like that is all you know, that's all